Warning: CP is not a professional chef but can still help you find and make your next amazing meal. So let's not waste any more time and 走起吧. The Hong Kong iced lemon tea. Known as the冻檸茶in Cantonese, it is a classic beverage that can be found at many Hong Kong-style diners, aka茶餐廳, in the city and around the world. Also known as the 港式檸檬茶, it is a simple yet refreshing drink that many consider as a must-try for those unfamiliar with Hong Kong-style drinks. Today, I'll show you how to make this classic Hong Kong-style beverage in the comfort of your own home. So ladies and gentlemen, let's start cooking, cause this is gonna be good. To make this amazing drink, you'll only need a few basic ingredients. This includes lemon, sugar. If you don't want your drink to be too sweet, just add less sugar. Black tea, water, ice, and honey. Keep in mind the honey is optional, but I just like adding it to my drink. Boil water. Get your tea ready. Add hot water. Add sugar. Stir well. Leave for 5 to 7 minutes. Start preparing your lemon. Squeeze out the juice. Pour into the cup. Add ice. Add cold water. Tea looks ready. Add lemon. Add honey, optional step. Pour in your tea. Congratulations, you officially made your own homemade version of the Hong Kong iced lemon tea. Also, if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more from my crappy cooking, make sure that you subscribe right now, and I'll love you forever. I promise. For 15 years of good luck, hit that like button now and activate your good fortunes. Do it now.